Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage of a quantity. Finding the percentage of any given quantity is a very important skill, and it is needed in many areas in the real world. The following guideline is very useful. When finding the percentage of any given quantity, change the percentage to a fraction, change the word of to a multiplication sign, and perform the operation. Let's look at some examples. 50% of 40. We all know that 50% is 50 over 100. We saw that in an earlier video. You change the word of to multiplication, and 40 you write as 40 over 1, so it looks like a fraction, like this one here. We know that 50 over 100 is a half. That's very basic. So it's a half times 40. We'll just practice some cancelling. 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 40 goes 20 times, 1 times 20 is 20, so the answer is 20. So 50% of 40 is 20. 25% of 180, so we have 25 over 100 times 180 over 1. We know that 25% is 1/4. All I've done is simplified this fraction. So 1 over 4 times 180 over 1. 4 into 4 goes once. 4 into 180 goes 45. 1 times 45 is 45, so the answer is $45. 2.5% of 160 pairs. Now 2.5% is 2.5 over 100 times 160 over 1. All you do, so we have whole numbers in the numerator and denominator, multiply top and bottom by 2. So just double each of those. That gives you 5 over 200. Still the same fraction. It's just that we have whole numbers. So 5 over 200 times 160 over 1. 5 into 5 goes once. 5 into 200 goes 40. So that's actually 1 over 40 times 160 over 1, which is there. 40 into 40 goes once. 40 into 160 goes 4 times, so the answer is 4 pairs. 3.25% of 2,000 kilometres, that's 3.25 over 100 times 2,000 over 1. Multiply top and bottom by 4, that gives us whole numbers. 13 over 400 times 2,000 over 1. 400 into 400 goes once. 400 into 2,000 goes 5 times. 13 times 5 is 65 kilometres. So this video has given us some skills, some basic routines in finding the percentage of any given quantity. And all you do is change the percentage to a fraction. You change the word of to a multiplication sign, and then we perform the operation.